Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all a Ragi diet plan for weight loss. Now we all know that how beneficial it is to have Ragi each and every day for tremendous health benefits. But do you know that Ragi can be a very good source of weight loss as well? Yes, you heard me right. Ragi for weight loss has been amazing for all my clients recently because it is a great source of protein, calcium, promotes great bone health and also curbs your hunger to a great extent. The best part of this is that it's very low in fat, high in fiber, and at the same point the iron content in Ragi can be easily matched with any tablet that you have for iron deficiency. So Ragi can definitely help you prevent deficiency of iron in the body. Great source of protein, calcium, bone health, and at the same time fiber, and low in fat with each and every property of amino acids as well. Recently, my lots of clients followed this diet plan for immense weight loss and they were able to see great transformations from themselves. And so can you. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosmore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. So without any delay, let's get started with Ragi diet plan for weight loss to help you lose up to 15 kgs in 30 days very easily. Now this diet plan can be very easily followed twice a week or 5 times a week. Starting with the early morning drink. Have raisin water in your early morning drink. All you have to do is soak 5 to 6 raisins overnight in 1 glass of water. Have it empty stomach without warming it up or anything. Very easy to consume and very good for your skin benefits, prevents acidity, and at the same point removes all the bad toxins from your body very quickly. If you cannot have this because of any reason, then you can always have lemon water with a pinch of cinnamon powder and pinch of black pepper powder to boost your metabolism itself in the morning. Now let's proceed towards our breakfast options. The first option for breakfast will be Ragi flakes with 1 bowl of milk. Now, flakes of any kind are very easy to consume in the morning itself and are one of the best options when it comes to your quick breakfast ideas. So Ragi flakes are very easily available in the market these days. You can get them and have it along with 1 bowl of milk, cold or hot as per your own preference. Add fruits to it, and at the same point you can even add some nuts to it like soaked almonds, soaked walnuts, some pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, and you're good to go for your breakfast. I've linked in the description box below that you can buy for Ragi flakes. Second option is for all the vegetarians out there. You can have veggie omelette prepared with lots of veggies, mushroom, capsicum, onion, tomato, zucchini, whatever is available with you. Make sure to prepare a good full bowl of veggies to it, and at the same point add 2 to 3 egg whites. Prepare it in a good form and have it in your breakfast. You can have it along with tea or coffee as per your own preference, but make sure to add no sugar to your tea or coffee. Proceeding towards our mid-morning options. Now mid-morning snack is one of the most important snacks when it comes to your metabolism boosting properties, so do not skip it in any form. You can have 1 cup of green tea or peppermint tea as per your own preference. Along with that, you can have 1 fruit of your own choice. It can be any seasonal fruit which is available in the season these days, like orange, apple, papaya, pineapple, whatever is available. And now let's proceed towards our lunch options. And as usual, 30 to 40 minutes before our lunch, we'll have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. Add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water. Mix it well and have it 30 to 40 minutes before your lunch. It prevents any kind of insulin spike, lowers your blood sugar levels, and at the same point is very effective to remove bad toxins from your body very quickly. Improves digestion process as well. So make sure to consume this. If you cannot have this because of any reason, because of acidity or any kind of tooth problems, then you can always have 1 glass of lukewarm water before lunch. Now let's proceed towards our lunch options. The first option is gonna be Ragi roti. Now you can very easily prepare Ragi roti. All you have to do is replace your normal flour with Ragi flour. Yes, it is a little difficult to prepare, but if you keep the flour prepared 1 hour before preparing your chapatis, it will be very soft and at the same point easy to prepare as well. Have 1 to 2 Ragi rotis. Along with that, you can have 1 good full bowl of sabzi, whatever is prepared at your home. Any kind of dal if prepared, then you can have that also, and along with that have good full bowl of salad, which includes onion, tomato, cucumber, lettuce, whatever can be added, but no salt or anything of seasoning added to salad. Along with that, you can also have 1 good full bowl of curd. Proceeding towards our second option for lunch, which can be Ragi dosa or Ragi idli. Now it is very easy to prepare Ragi idli or dosa. Have 2 to 3 ragi idlis with sambar or coconut chutney. Along with that, you can have salad as well for fiber intake. You can have 2 to 3 ragi dosas as well, along with again sambar or chutney and salad for the fiber intake. The iron content in ragi will definitely help you with lots of skin benefits, bone health benefits, and to give you good protein for the day as well. So make sure to have ragi for your lunch. Now let's proceed towards our mid-evening snack, which can be as usual your tea or coffee. If you're a coffee lover, then you can have your tea or coffee, but make sure to add no sugar to it at all in any form. Along with that, you can have 10 soaked almonds, or you can also have 30 grams of roasted peanuts, but make sure the peanuts are not salted and only roasted at home. Now let's proceed towards our dinner options, which can be simple, a bowl of papaya or pineapple, because it helps to relieve the constipation of the entire day very quickly the next morning, and you freshen up very well. Second thing is that it's good and loaded with fiber, so you don't feel hungry for good time of the night. And always make sure to sleep very early if you're having this for your dinner, because you'll definitely see a good number going lower the next day. So make sure to have this for your dinner if you want a very good weight loss the next day, but make sure to sleep early as well. Second option for dinner is you can have a good full bowl of oats in milk with fruits. All you have to do is simply warm up half a glass of milk. To this you can add 2 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon of oats to this. Mix it well, let it simmer for at least 2 to 3 minutes, and to this you can add lots and lots of fruits of your own choice, and you will be very satiated to have this dinner option. Now let's proceed towards our bedtime drink, which will be a good warm cup of chamomile tea. Now, why chamomile tea before going to bed? It helps to relieve your stress of the entire day, promotes very good and amazing sleep when it comes to your bedtime, and at the same point boosts your metabolism for the entire night. If you cannot have this, then you can always have ajwain or jeera water to remove all the water retention and bloating from your system very quickly, but make sure it is warm. With this diet plan, you'll be definitely able to lose 15 kgs in 30 days very easily, because this diet plan is gluten-free in nature and at the same point is very effective for weight loss because of the good iron content, protein content and calcium intake. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail to give your body good hydration, skin benefits, and to remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with dietitian Sheena and begin with the journey. Please do not forget to check out my Hindi channel, that is Let's Go Healthy, to get all of these videos in Hindi. And at the same point, please follow me on Instagram to stay updated for all the upcoming healthy weight loss recipes, client transformation videos, what I eat in a day, and weight loss tips and tricks. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More to get notified for all the upcoming weight loss diet plans and much more good content. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.